We're gonna make Caesar salad. And when you have really great Caesar salad, what do you gotta have? Exactly. Great croutons. And great croutons, a lot of people like to use day-old bread, which I think is fine, but I don't have time to wait around for the bread. So what I'm gonna do is just cut some rough crostini-style bread. I've got the oven fired up, of course. Knock that out. Looks like about enough. I should probably check this out. Okay. When I go to the store, I have to get 2 loaves of bread. One that I eat as I peruse the store, and the other that I actually come home and cook with. Okay? Look at different bread. Okay. Quick, simple, easy. I think if you're gonna have croutons, if you're gonna eat them, you're gonna do it, don't do them out of a box. Come on. That, a little bit of olive oil. Each one of them. We'll get it with a little S&P. We'll get a little bit of thyme in there. Parmesan cheese. Okay, we're gonna let these just go and dry out. It's gonna complement the Caesar salad. We are Caesar salad fans around here. A little dust of some Parmesan. But I only want Caesar dressing. I really gotta make the dressing. Now, different people, some people like to emulsify it. Well, I'll show you in a little bit, but you're gonna see, make the bomb, especially with those fresh eggs, those golden yolks, nuts. All right, this, just peel up, just sprinkle on a little bit of thyme. The stem comes off with it, that's fine. That means it's tender enough. That's it, okay? A little bit of time on that in the oven. Over to the side, don't want it to brown up too much. Let it come out, let it cool down, turn out nice and dry. Okay, so in with some garlic. A little bit of anchovy. This is the key right here with the 2 forks. We'll just go 1 nice big anchovy, depends on the size. Okay. A little bit of Dijon mustard. A little more, so you can see that. So the yolks, the garlic, the anchovy, Worcestershire. Just a touch. A little bit of the lemon or lime. There you go. So now, wanting to break up that anchovy, I'm raking the anchovy over the other fork. And this is right here, I'll make it easier so you can see this. See this? So what I've got is I've got this anchovy sitting in here, and I'm raking that over the top of the other fork, just really helping that anchovy break down. Now, if you have anchovy paste, that's fantastic. Okay? We break that down. There we go. Now, this is not a super emulsified dressing. We could do this with a food processor. It would be really nice and tight. But when I was the flambe captain at the Red Lion Motor Inn in Eureka, this is how we did it tableside. There we go. And for a little more flavor, a little extra virgin olive oil as well. Okay. We're in good shape with that. We'll just let this hit a little salt and pepper to it, and then we'll just let this kind of sit here and hang out and let all the flavors come together. Refrigerating, it's a great idea, but we're gonna use it so quick. Hunter, go ahead and hit some croutons on that, and we made some Caesar dressing. Ryder got the eggs, Julesy and Hunter made the sandwiches, but look at this beautiful Caesar dressing with those golden yolks out of my chicken ranch. I am a chicken rancher, as you can tell. Okay, you good with that?
Is that good?
A little bit more.
A little more?
All right, here. We'll just spoon on. Let me scoot in here, son. So we kind of do a rough cut on the romaine. We've got Worcestershire garlic, anchovies. Hunter, there's some Parmesan cheese right there. Grab that. It's going to be kind of a appetizer hand salad.